everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own face mask. Face mask will moisturize your skin, it also heals acne and inflammation, and it also reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and it exfoliates the skin, and it decreases excess oil on the face. What you will need is 1 avocado. I'm just chopping my avocado like so. Scooped out a quarter of my avocado into this little bowl, and then I'm just mashing it up, and I also added in a tiny amount of water. Added in a little bit more avocado to keep the consistency nice and thick. So here I am, fresh faced. I'm just gonna apply the avocado mask like so. Today guys, Tyrese and Caden are on a play date, so no, I can't scare them like the last video of my natural face mask. If you want to check that video out, I'm going to link it in the description box below as well. Cheers! I'm also enjoying an avocado green smoothie whilst I'm using my amazing face mask as well. If you want to know how to create this green smoothie, it's also on my channel under healthy recipes. Taking a warm cloth, and I'm just going to wipe it all off, and it's gently exfoliating my face as well. I'm going to show you my skincare routine. This product, I'm going to link it down below. My #1 face wash. It's cruelty free and it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, and it's so good for your skin. Especially it's good for acne prone skin, and it's not too harsh, like it doesn't leave your skin extremely dry. I'm just massaging my face whilst I apply it like so. The fact that it's free from any harsh chemicals. First rinse, I use warm water to remove any bacteria from my face, and my last rinse, I use ice cold water to close the pores on my face. And I'm now just taking my towel and I'm patting my face dry like so. To apply my DIY toner, I'm actually not going to really do it. I'm just going to show you how I do it. Imagination, because I forgot to hit the record button. It could only happen to me, guys. Anyways, my video for this is linked below if you want to know how I created it. So refreshing and cleansing, and it prevents acne. So yeah, I'll link that video below. I'm now just going in with my eye cream. This is the best eye cream that I've ever had. It's kiwi seed oil. I'm going to link that below as well. Really good at preventing your eyes from looking tired and preventing fine lines on your eye. As I always believe, guys, that it's always best to look at prevention before wrinkles even start. So yeah, and I'm now just going in with my favorite spot treatment for all my problem areas. My problem areas tend to be on my cheeks. Yeah, sucks. But anywho, I'm just using that, and now I'm going in with my Antipods cream. I'm also going to link all the creams below, so don't worry guys, if anyone's interested in them. There you basically have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do leave me a comment in the comment section below if you do try any of these skincare tips. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next upload. Peace and love until next time, guys.